Lumex physician stools come with options such as a foot ring and backs. When the box arrives, check for any obvious damage to the carton. If damage is evident, notify the carrier and gram field. Cut tape and open the box. Carefully remove the back, base, foot ring, seat, placing each component on plastic or in a protected area. Finally, remove remaining items from the box. Remove the casters from the bag and turn over the base of the stool. Firmly press each caster to the base of the stool. Flip the base over so that the casters are touching the floor. Then remove cap from foot ring. Add foot ring to the top of the base. Unwrap the piston from its plastic covering. Place the piston's flat part down. Notice the green pneumatic plunger will be visible and not attached to the base. In order to attach the seat back to the stool, flip the seat over to the side and find the knob for the seat back. Unscrew the knob, then attach the back, and tightly screw the knob back on. Finally, align the green pneumatic plunger with the center of the seat hole and attach. The stool is ready to be used. Examine the physician stool and all components for nicks, dents, scratches, or other damage. If damage is evident, notify the carrier and gram field. Contact your gram field representative to see how the Lumex stools can streamline your caseload and transform your examination room.